At what rate percent compound interest will rupees 2000 amount to rupees 2661 in 3 years? So here let's say an amount of rupees 2000 has been deposited in a bank for an amount of 3 years. So 1, 2 and 3. Now at the end of the tenure, the total amount is equal to 2661, which includes the principal P, so this is the principal, and the interest gained over these 3 years. Now we have to find out what is the rate percent per annum so that an amount of 2000 rupees becomes 2661 at the end of 3 years. Now this is compound interest. So what that means is that for the first year, the interest or percent will be calculated on the principal, which is 2000 rupees. However, for the second year, the principal P1 will be equal to the principal at the beginning of first year, which is P, plus the interest gained during this first year. So the interest I1. So for the second year, the interest will be calculated on this principal, which is P1. And similarly for the third year, P2 will become P1 plus the interest gained during the second year. So now we know that for compound interest, the amount at the end of the tenure is equal to P multiplied by 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power of n. Now n here is the number of periods at the end of which interest is going to be compounded. So here the number of total periods is 3, because at the end of each period, that is at the end of each year, the interest is going to be compounded. So n is 3 and R is the rate of interest per time period at the end of which the interest is going to be compounded. So R is the rate per annum. So the amount given is 2661 and this is equal to the principal, which is 2000 multiplied by 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power n, which is 3. So or let's bring this 2000 on the left hand side. So 2661 divided by 2000 is equal to 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power 3. So let me pull my calculator here. So 2661 divided by 2000. So this is 1.3305. So or 1.3305 is equal to 1 plus R by 100 cube. Now here, in order to find the value of R, we have to first find out the cube root on both the sides. So or cube root of 1.3305 is equal to cube root of 1 plus R by 100 cube. So this is cube root. If I don't put this number, that means this is a square root. So for this number, we have to find out the cube root. So this is the cube root. So the cube root is 1.0998. So or 1.0986 is equal to, so this cube and this cube root gets cancelled. So this is equal to 1 plus R by 100. So or now we can take this 1 on the other side. So it will become 1.09986 minus 1 is equal to R by 100, or R by 100 is equal to 0.9986. sorry, this is 0.09986, or R is equal to, so we'll multiply this number by 100, so we can take the decimal two places on the right hand side, so it becomes 9.986. So R is equal to 9.986. So this is the rate percent per annum.